There were two cooler lines connected to the transmission. Had some little pin clips. You had to pop those and just pull those out. And after getting the transmission separated from the engine, I lowered it down. That part was over. Okay, let's see if we can pull it back some more now. Okay, I got my little flex plate lock here. I'm from eBay, about $4. Keeps it from moving while you're getting the bolts off. It's real neat. Ordered it way beforehand, so I have it. Just has two bolts. They bolt into where the starter comes out. Starter bolts. And the teeth go into the plate here. And I'll use my other ratchet to get them off. I think this is my cam sensor. There's an O-ring at the bottom of running oil. Oh no, I'm good. Okay. And I've got my gasket and my seal from AutoZone. About $33, I believe, for this whole unit. Okay, I got my new gasket on, and I got some gasket maker in the corners here, down there. And we're gonna put the cover back over. Get that out the way.